Have you ever wondered why AI feels so powerful? It's everywhere. From chatbots to self-driving cars, AI transforms our world. But here's the catch. Can you really make money with it? In this video, we'll explore the challenges of monetizing AI. We will break this down step by step. Let's uncover the reality behind the hype. This is the official AI Hustle Club, where we break down how to actually use AI to build leverage, not just hype. First, let's define AI. Think of AI as computer systems that mimic human intelligence. They learn from data to perform tasks smarter. But what does that mean for making money? Now let's dive into the process. Step 1. Identify a market need. Businesses want solutions to problems. Find a gap where AI can help. Step 2. Assess the technology. Is your AI the best fit? Different industries require different AI applications. Step 3. Create a business model. Will you charge per use, subscription, or license your AI? Each model has pros and cons. Step 4. Market your offering. How will you reach your audience? Targeted ads, social media, or direct outreach can help. As we explore these steps, consider this example. Imagine you develop an AI tool for online customer service. This tool can respond instantly, reducing wait times. Sounds great, right? Now, let's add a twist. Businesses may hesitate to invest. They fear high costs and uncertain ROI. This challenge makes selling AI tough. In summary, while AI is incredibly powerful, monetizing it is tricky. Know your market, technology, business model, and marketing strategy. Ready to explore your AI journey? Start discovering the possibilities today. Share your thoughts in the comments. If you want practical AI strategies that actually work in the real world, not influencer fantasies, subscribe. We post every week.